Guys, how y'all doing? Welcome to my channel once again. I'm back again with another video. This time I'll be showing you guys a different style of ponytail. Please subscribe to my channel. Firstly, this oil here is a mixture of 3 oils: Jamaican black castor oil, coconut oil, and extra virgin olive oil. I'll gently massage it into my hair and scalp. Then I'm going to apply my Cantu Leave-in conditioner for easy combing. I'll then go ahead to part out a little hair by my left and right, which I'm going to work on. Then set the rest of the hair aside to avoid mix-up. When I'm done weaving the two sides, I'll go ahead to apply my gel to make my hair sleek, because my hair is not relaxed. So to make it all smooth and glossy, I'll just go ahead to apply my gel one step at a time. I'll just pat out my hair with my fingers and then apply the gel. I'll repeat this process all through my hair. This is a not too high ponytail, so you can position yours exactly the level you want it to be: high, middle, or low. I think mine is middle. So now I'll go ahead to hold the ponytail very tightly with a scrunchie. You just have to make sure you hold it so tight. And then I'm going to apply this Cantu Stay Glue Gel for extra hold. Then I'll lay down my edges with this edge control gel. Then I'm going to wrap up my hair with a scarf to begin braiding. This is super simple. You just have to part out the size of the hair you want to braid and then tie the rest. You just have to set it aside to avoid mixing up with the hair you're working on. You have to repeat this process all through. I apply this hair oil on my attachments on my extension to make it look shiny and neat. Now I'm done braiding. I'll just grab 2 braids and wrap it around the roots. I think I have 14 braids total, so I'm just gonna grab 2 and wrap it around the roots of the whole braid. It will make the ponytail high and give it a good shape. Now I'm going to add my accessories to spice up this cute style, you know. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up. See you all in my next video. I love you guys. Bye. Goodbye.